If you like sweet and savory, this recipe is perfect for you. We're going to make some loaded country pancakes. So delicious. So to start off, you're going to take some all-purpose flour and add it to a big bowl. You're going to throw in some baking powder, salt, and a little bit of cayenne pepper. And then you're going to throw in some sliced green onion. You're going to give that a quick mixing. And then you're going to go ahead and add 1 beaten egg, some milk. I'm using almond milk, but you can add whatever milk you use, and a tablespoon of oil or butter. And then you're going to go ahead and mix this well until it's nice and smooth. Next, it's time to add in that savory. We're going to add in some crispy bacon, some corn, and I'm using pepper jack cheese, but you can add whatever cheese you want. Jalapeños added to this is delicious. Some sauteed sweet onion is delicious. Next, you're going to butter up your hot griddle. You're going to add about 1/4 cup full of batter to each pancake. And they're going to cook for a few minutes on each side. And then you're going to pour over that hot syrup. Sprinkle on some crispy bacon and green onion. You guys, these are absolutely delicious. Yum.